Hello everyone, this is Isaac from Woodsmith Co. Hope you guys are doing great. Today we are here with a different kind of project. It's an epoxy table itself, but it's more like an all-purpose table. So it can be used in kitchen, in study or in general. So let's take a look how we are making this table and the different features included in it. So this is the tabletop. We have cut it out into a honeycomb design. The epoxy will be poured into these grooves. We are using a special blue pigment this time. It's called Glow Blue. As the name suggests, it will glow in the dark. We are going to start the pour. Unlike the normal pour, this has to be a bit delicate since we are trying to pour only into those lines. There is no harm in getting a bit of epoxy outside those lines. We can polish and remove it later. Also, unlike normal river tables, we are not pouring entire buckets of epoxy. The pour is complete now. We have bubbles here and there. As usual, we use a blowtorch to burst those bubbles. So this is how our finished table looks like. Sanding and polishing part is not included since we will focus more on the features of this table. We will give you a demo on how it will glow in the dark. So we will turn off the lights here. You can now see that how it is glowing in the dark. We'll move on with the other features included. Our friend is trying to put a power plug and a couple of drawers under the table. There will be 2 drawers and the plug will come in between. You can use this to charge your mobile, table lamp or work your kitchen equipments. Another thing is a handle which will help you to pull the table and also to hang small racks used in the kitchen. For both this handle and the legs of the table, we are using an L-key screw which goes into an inlay mounted into the wood, which makes it very easy to assemble and disassemble. I will give you a small demo of the phone getting charged. And here we go. The legs are fitted with wheels, which makes it very easier for the movement. You can pull it anywhere you want through a flat surface. There is another small addition as well. It's a chopping board to be used in the kitchen. It comes with one piece of magnet on each sides, which will help you to fix it firmly on the metal legs. Hope you liked it. Please do let us know what you think about this guy right here. It is like a prototype and more features are to be added soon. If you would like to order an epoxy table, please do fill in the Google form in the description below and we'll get back to you. Please do subscribe to our channel, it really helps us. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you with the next epoxy project soon.